Let's learn today how to use hyperlink function in Excel. So first of all, I will select a symbol and place it here. When I will click that symbol, it will make me to this place. So let's see. Go to Insert tab, select the symbol that you want to place. I want to put this one. Keep 2 points. The character code is 175 and the font is symbol. Now let's place the formula equal to hyperlink. Start the bracket. Double inverted comma, hashtag, cell reference is B2, double inverted comma, and the character code was 175. Close it. You can see the came, but it's not look same. We have to change the font also. Go here, mention symbol with no underline. You can see the symbol came. Now whenever you click it here, it will reach me to this point, which is cell reference B2